Welcome back to the ISNaDBiblio tutorial series. In Module 04, we will examine the Publications and Citations module, where the dashboard gives a one-screen summary. This module breaks productivity and impact down in far more detail through annual trends, the mix of document types, open access coverage, and the journals that publish this field most often. Let us begin. In the Bibliometrics group, click the Publications menu. The Publications and Citations page now opens. At the top, you can see a summary of the key figures, from the document count and total citations to the number of publication sources. The first chart is the annual publication trend. This chart answers a basic question: when did this field start to attract interest? A steeply rising curve marks a field that is growing. A flat curve, by contrast, marks a field that has matured or is even in decline. Keep in mind that the most recent year often looks low, simply because indexing is not yet complete. Next comes the citation trend by year. This trend shows when the work in this field was cited most heavily. The citation peak usually lags a few years behind the publication peak. The reason is simple. An article needs time to be read, cited, and then published again by other researchers. Next, we come to the mix of document types. Because we filtered down to journal articles in Module 02, the mix is now uniform. If you had not filtered them, this chart would show the share of books, book chapters, and conference papers. After that comes the open access chart. This chart shows how many articles are openly available to read. A high open access share usually goes together with a wider readership. This information is also useful when you are choosing a target journal for your next paper. Next is the list of journals that publish this field most often. These are the core journals of the field you are studying. The list is practical in two ways. It helps you choose where to submit, and it confirms that your literature search has covered the main sources. Finally, there is the source impact chart. This chart compares journals not by how many articles they carry, but by the average citations they receive. That way, a journal with few articles but strong influence still stands out. Every panel also offers PNG and CSV buttons for downloading the chart or the data behind it. And with that, we have explored the whole of the Publications module. You can now read the productivity and impact map of your dataset. In the next module, we will explore the Authors module to identify the most influential researchers in the field. See you there.